We should follow these programs? Yes, we should follow these programs, and we should follow health and hygiene also. Personal health and hygiene is very important in our daily life. Personal health and hygiene are like take bath every day, brush your teeth twice a day, comb your hairs neatly. Hello? Hi Swaro. Hello?
Hello, why we need fever when we need fever, what can we do?
Once again. When we need fever, what can we do?
Why we need fever when we need fever, what can we do?
When we need fever, what can we do? Okay, Swaros. It's in not correct way, but we should have to prevent by that disease. First we know how the fever causes, so we should not take that like suggestions, that like precautions. We can aware that, we can keep distance, we can leave distance with that precautions, with that reasons. So this is the suitable answer for your question. Okay, Swaro? Okay, Swaros, I would like to say thank you to Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, and K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Chief Minister of Telangana, to implement these programs like Swachh Bharat and Haritaharam. Swaros, I hope you know that what is Haritaharam, what is Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat means keep our surroundings clean and green. Just now we discussed about if our surroundings clean and green, our attitude is healthy attitude. Health of all organisms depend upon their environment. Okay, Swaros, by that we can say health of all organisms depend upon their environment. We should construct toilet bathrooms, use toilet bathrooms only, not defecate in open. Okay, Swaros, and another is we should have to follow Swachh Bharat instructions, that are keep our campus clean and green. We should have to maintain health and hygiene, that are like just now I said 3-4, and let us discuss another some more. We should wash our clothes daily, every day. We should keep our trunk box very neatly, and we should leave bad habits like smoking. These are the bad habits we can prevent from this disease. If we leave the bad habits, we can prevent some disease. And Swaros, do you know what is immunity power? Yes, very nice. I hope you can say that answer. Exactly right. Hello? Hi Swaro. Good afternoon, Swaro. Good afternoon, Swaro.
Good afternoon, sir.
May I know your name?
Good afternoon, sir.
May I know your name?
My name is Akhilesh. My name is Akhilesh. I am from Uppalwai.
May I know your question? May I know your question?
My question is, how long did the illness last?
What? How long this is?
How long did the illness last?
Hello, Swaros, once again, please repeat. Swaro,
How long did the illness last?
illness last. How long this is illness last? Swaros, I don't know the suitable answer for that question. Swaros, can you name your name? Okay. Swaro, thank you. I don't know about this question. Swaros, I referred from some books this question, suitable answer for this question. Swaro, I say when we meet once again. Okay, Swaro, this is about immunity power. Just we discussed about immunity power. Immunity power means that is we commonly call resistant power. It can fight with foreign bodies. It fight with foreign bodies. It fight with foreign bodies. When the foreign bodies enter into our body, then they are causes some disease. They release some toxins. By that they increase their population in our body. By that we suffer with disease. So, my dear Swaros, I kindly request you keep your surroundings clean and green. And just now we are discussing about immunity power. So, when we lose immunity power, we fall ill. So, we can improve our immunity power by taking some vaccinations. So, whereas immunity power is very important. Each and every person fall ill when he lost their immunity power. Swearers, and just now I hope that you can understood this all. You understood all that chapter. But the moral of this chapter is, why do we fall ill? We can know preventions of all disease, how they are causes. So we should not go in that manner. So we should leave that. So by this we can know all the diseases. So this lesson kept for this purpose. Please, each and everyone should read once again this lesson and discuss with your friends. Swearers? Okay, Swearers? And Swearers, I would like to say that each and everyone should plant tree. Just now we discussed trees are very important. At least you plant tree on your birthday, on the time of your birthday. By that we can improve the. Hello? Hi Swaro. Hi Swaro, what is your queries?
Can you explain? I'm Shirisha from Belampalli.
From Belampalli.
Can you explain infectious and non-infectious?
Okay. Thank you, Swaro. Very nice question. Infectious and non-infectious means the disease which are transmitted from one person to another, then that are known as infectious disease. Swearers, infectious diseases are caused by main 4 agents, that are physical contact, air, water, animals. And about non-infectious disease means the disease which are not transmitted from person to person, that are known as non-infectious disease. Non-infectious diseases are 4 factors, that are environmental factor, physical disorder, chemical factor and heredity. Okay, Swaro, understood? Okay, thank you. And any queries? Any more questions? Okay, just now we discussed about we should have to plant each plant on our birthday. That means if we not plant our trees, we can not live very freely. We should not protect our ozone layer. We causes from very disease. It causes very severe damage to us, to our health. So we should have to prevent disease. Means the first reason is prevention is we should have to plant trees. Okay, Swearers, understood? Each and everyone should plant every tree. Each and everyone should plant at least one tree in your school or in your house. Swearers, if our campus greenery, we can live very freely. We can get very purified oxygen, because the contaminated air, so much of contaminated air by pollution and other pollution by vehicles pollution, we are using refrigerators and TVs. This is so much causes very dangerous pollution. So we should have to plant the trees. The trees are take bad air and release good air. We know that. Yes or no, Swearers? Yes. Thank you. And Swearers, where do we? Hi, Swaro. Swearers, in previous classes we learnt about useful microorganisms. They are harmful. Some are useful, some are harmful. This is about what we have learned. We stop what we have learned. So, Swearers, I would like to say thank you to one and all. Special thanks to our secretary to introduce this very wonderful program, Super Student program. I would like to stop my class. Okay. Okay, Swearers, let us meet later.